I was the one they always called Speedy, and I loved it. I was fast at everything. But I got sidetracked. Sometimes I made bad decisions. I sold drugs to support my habit. My addiction was alcohol and crack cocaine. And let me tell you, I fed that monster all the time. My home was the streets. Can you please help me? Can you help me with some change or some food? I was a gangster in Sunset Park, Brooklyn. I got shot one time. I got 18 stitches from here to here. On the back of my head, I got hit with a gun. That's the lifestyle I lived.
Health Home, at its core, is a care coordination program. And we service clients who are mentally ill, chronically medically ill, and we want to provide a support to them to maintain their lives in the community.
I was in the shelter system and diagnosed with bipolar II disorder. It's PTSD, anxiety, depression, and insomnia. I didn't believe in myself because of how I was raised. My mom and my dad weren't in my life. I went through a lot of abuse on all levels, spiritual, physical, and mental. So I was traumatized as a child. Wow. I was a rebel without a cause, for real. I had a lot of issues with the penal system. I'm not proud of it at all.
Adrian is one of our clients who joined the Health Home back in 2017. He was enrolled due to his substance use disorder and mental health diagnosis. Sometimes because of his habits, Adrian wouldn't have enough money for food or, for basic necessities. So we would provide gift cards to like Target so he could pick up some toiletries or a local pharmacy.
VNS Health Home program helps ensure that the patient have food, if that means applying for food stamps, ensuring that they have stable housing, to make sure they're linked to their doctors, transportation to go to these doctor's appointments.
He knows that something about this program works, and something that VNS Health is able to offer him works.
Our job is primarily teaching these people to love themselves again, showing them that somebody out here care about you too. If one person care about you and you care about yourself, then we can move mountains.
The Health Home program has helped me stay clean and sober. They've helped me regain my integrity. They've helped me to learn how to trust in others. They've also shown me how to be responsible in taking my medication consistently on a daily basis. I'm not looking back. And if I do look back, it's only to remember where I came from.
We had a picnic for our clients in the park, and he showed up and he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna do this qualifying race. And then I'm gonna run the New York City Marathon." And I was like, "What? Like, what do you mean?" He's like, "No, I'm gonna run the New York City Marathon for real." I was like, "For real?"
So we are very proud of him because we provided that running shoes, gave him the ability to run in a marathon, which made him feel better about himself and accomplish a goal that he had on his care plan to be accomplished.
You guys have provided me with such information to look at what's going on with me and let me know that, you know what, just because I have a mental health issue doesn't mean that I'm a bad person.
Here at VNS Health and as part of the Health Home, we meet clients wherever they are in life, where they are in the community, where they are in their treatment, and we go from there. For Adrian, he's done remarkable things. Adrian has been empowered by his running to complete more goals, like going back to school, getting his KSAC. If you don't know, the KSAC world is for substance users. So he wants to be a peer in that community, which is great.
Harm reduction is what I'm looking forward to doing, giving back to society, and that's to help the youth. Catch them before it even gets there so that I can go back and give it back to that community that I took so much from. That's my goal. This is the beginning of something beautiful.